Hey, what's up? It's Megan Gazorbeam from NE4 Schizo, and this is my bike check. Starting at the front, we have Eastern black small heavy-duty bolts, white Eastern rim all the way around, giant slash Eastern sprox all the way to this impact clamp, Eastern bolt. Black and silver Blazor grips, medium. Giant Method 1 body. Eastern clamp for seat and the neck. Giant Method 1 seat. Back tire. We have Fit Bike heavy duty large silver bolts. Fit Bike rim, plain, black. And to the pedal, we have a Wellgo Fit Bike pedal and body, and a 24 by 24 Ariel rotation clamp. Bolt. My other side has a clamp, so I keep getting these two mixed up, which is retarded. But yeah, that's my bike check.